Now execute this query on this table. This is vehicles table, and we want to drop the column wheel. So if you write alter table vehicles drop column wheel, it will drop or remove the wheel from this table. It says that alter, which is definitely changing the structure of the table, and it is a DDL command. That's why we are using the word table, and vehicles is the table name, and drop the column wheel. Okay, let me execute this query now. Okay, we have executed this query, and the vehicles table will look like this, something like this. We have removed the wheel from this. Let us execute this query now. It is join operation. Select star from vehicles, join cars. Here select star. Here star means select all the attributes from the vehicles, which is ID1, power, engineer, and gear S, like this, some attribute. Okay, now this is vehicle table, this is cars table, and here join means join each tuple with every other tuple of this cars table. Okay, it will look like a Cartesian product. Let me execute this query now, and you will understand what I'm trying to say. If you see the output, each tuple is repeated 4 times for every other tuple for the vehicle table. Okay, also similarly it is for next tuple, also for next tuple, and similarly for other one. Now let us execute this query. Select star from vehicles, join cars on the basis of cars.id1 equals to vehicles.id1. Here select every attribute from table, vehicles, id1, power, engineer, and gear S, and join cars, join this table with this on the basis of cars id1. Here car id1 is this, and vehicles id1 is this. So where they are equal means where they are same, which is 23, 23, 54, 54. Where they are same, just join them. Let's see the output now, and here it is. We have joined these two tables on the basis of ID. See this one, this one. See, ID1 is repeated 2 times because it is from table vehicles and it is from table cars. Now let's see this query. Select star from vehicles, inner join cars on cars.id1 and vehicles.id1. Here it is similar to of that of previous one. Here the output would remain same because there is inner join. This inner join is basis on the cars id1 and vehicles id1. Okay, the answer would be same. Let's see this output, and similar to that of the previous one, it is same. See, id1, okay, similar of that one. Okay, now let's see this query. Select star from vehicles, left join cars on cars.id1, vehicles.id1. Here we are joining these two tables on the basis of id1 from each table, but the difference is we are giving priority to the left table. Left table is this table, vehicles table. Okay, and let me execute this query now. Just focus on this output now. See, the common tuples are just printed as it is. The difference is we are taking the left table, or we can say that we are just taking the tuples from the left table which are unmatched with the table from the right table. Okay, and values are not placed here because these tuples are not matched with this corresponding condition. That's why we have put null in front of this left table or left table tuples. Okay, now let's say this query. It is saying to write join vehicles with cars on this basis of id1 from both the tables. Now if you execute this query, the output will be just different. The result of the previous one remains same, but the difference is we are matching the right table tuples with the null values because they are not matched with the ID1. Now let's say this query, select star from vehicles v1, vehicles v2, where v1.id1 equals to v2.id2. Here v1 and v2 are the instances of the table vehicles. Okay, we are merging vehicles table with another instance of vehicles table, and we are just selecting the ID1 from both the tables and merging them. Okay, and let me execute this query, and if you notice here, these two tables are the same, one and the same, and IDs from each table, okay, see these IDs are from each table, they are same, which is reflecting this condition where v1.id1 equals to v2.id2. Since v1 and v2 are the instance of the vehicle table, so obviously these two tables are from vehicles table. Now focus on this query. Select star from vehicles, natural join cars. Here natural join may refers to the joining operation on the basis of the common attributes. See, in these two tables we have one common attribute, which is ID1. Okay, other than this there is no common. See, there is no common. So for common attribute, select the common domain. Here it is 23 and 54, and these two will be selected from both the tables. Let me execute this query, and you will get like this. Since ID1 is taken from both the tables, so it will be reflected only once, not here, because it has been taken from both the tables and we are taken common. Other than this, power engineer gear S is taken from vehicle table, and model engine and gear S is taken from other table, which is cars. Okay, now let us execute this query. Alter table cars, rename column engine to power. Here alter keyword is used. It means it is changing structure of the table, and we have used the table keyword for DDL commands. Cars, this is the cars table. We have to rename the column engine, which is this, to power. Let me execute this query now, and it will look like this. And let me show you the table, and there's a change. Okay, there's a change. Now let's execute this query. Delete from vehicles where ID1 equals to 1. Here ID1 equals to 1, it is referring to this tuple, and it will delete this tuple where ID equals to 1. Okay, let me execute this. So execution is successful. Let me check out the output result of this table. See, ID1 is not available in this table now. Okay, so next time I will explain you group by, order by, count, and the query will become very much complex, and we are going to use nested queries in the next time. Okay, and if you are new in this channel, you may subscribe. You can click the bell icon at the right side, and you can get latest information and notifications.